Do you have food sensitivities, feel bloated after you eat, or are looking for ways to improve gut health naturally? I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. With over 4 decades of personal experiences and challenges, and as a health coach, I have learned that healthy food alternatives plus food-grade essential oils is a game changer. Your gut health is your health. So after watching, get your free health assessment at the link in the description below. If you're looking for salad recipes with mandarin oranges, there's no ramen in this Mandarin chicken salad. It's a healthy chicken salad recipe, and by adding food-grade essential oils like green mandarin, ginger, and black pepper, this boosts immunity, supports a healthy gut microbiome, and it's so delicious. So let's begin with a Chinese chicken salad dressing, and in a small bowl add a 1/4 cup rice wine vinegar, a tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons Bragg's liquid aminos or soy sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and then our secret sauce, 3 drops of ginger essential oil, 3 drops green mandarin essential oil, and 1 drop of black pepper essential oil. Now let's add 1 minced clove garlic and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and stir it all together. Then we're going to set this aside so we can go to our salad ingredients in a large bowl. So here we're going to add 2 cups shredded Napa cabbage, 1 cup shredded purple cabbage, and 1 cup grated yams or carrots, 2 thin sliced green onions, 1 diced avocado, and you'll want to separate that a little bit, and then 2 cups of shredded chicken that's already pre-cooked, 2 mandarin oranges already peeled and segmented, and 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, 1/3 cup sliced almonds, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Now you can cover and chill this until you're ready to serve, and when you are ready, then pour on that dressing and toss it together. You can see how colorful it is, and it is so delicious, and you can see it's very, very simple to make. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to the description below. Tell us if you think this is a great recipe, ask your questions, and get your free health assessment to see how you can improve your gut health. Then like and subscribe. See you in my next video.